Taking notes is a well-known technique that has stood the test of time. There are various ways to take notes, ranging from handwriting in a notebook to using post-it in the book to typing on the computer in apps like OneNote or Word, or simply using your phone in the Notes app. Yes, literally, it's called notes. However, these note-taking methods have their own sets of advantages and disadvantages, and regardless of using paper or digital notes, they become completely useless if you do it in the wrong way. Let me explain. The art of learning is not something everyone knows how to do it correctly. Most people just follow the same routine: read, highlight, and take notes. And I say notes because they aren't real notes. And the issue with this approach boils down to two main things: study just to pass and passive study. You have two primary options: paper or digital notes. While handwriting notes have been proven more effective than computer notes, you'll end up with tons of paper and notebooks, and you probably won't review with those notes ever again. On the other hand, digital notes are easily to store and access, but they really don't help you to retain as much information. So what's the optimal strategy? So the best way to do it for me is to take the best of both worlds. Use digital but handwriting notes on an iPad. Yes, this device has been my most useful asset in my last year as a student. Now that we identified the most effective method, let's talk about how we have to do it. Returning to the 2 points that we identified as problematic, we have study just to pass. I won't double too much on this point, but basically, if you genuinely want to learn, you have to study to learn, to become a better person, to become a better professional. Otherwise, if you're just studying to pass, please click off this video. The second point is passive study. If you only read, highlight, and transcribe everything from the book into your iPad, you won't retain any information because you're not engaging your brain while doing so. On the other hand, if you push your brain, you force your brain to think, you surely will retain everything. There are various ways to actively study, such as flashcards, spaced repetition, Feynman technique, and a lot more. We'll discuss this in another video. But one of the main techniques I've been using since I'm in high school is taking notes in the right way. And to do that, you just only have to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1 is read all the theory you have to study. Number 2 is take your iPad and write down everything you remember. This is the crucial part. No matter what, do not look back again into your book, into your textbook. Push your brain as much as you can to try to remember everything you just read. And number 3, after push your brain as much as you can, open your textbook or lecture again and check what you missed. After that, this is probably gonna hurt, but you have to delete the note you just made and repeat the cycle. After you do it like 2 or 3 times, I assure you, you will remember everything. And I repeat this because this is the most important part. Do not look your book or lecture while doing your notes. So this is it. Don't forget to stay uniquely.